Hello guys, hello guys, si Kay. For today's video, I'm new lang po dito. Hindi ako 4 years old na. Basta blow out na po ito. Ano kasi, i-introduce ko muna sa inyo. Pero kalimutan ko yung mga names nila, pero nasa notes ko. Sige, let's start it. Mag-ano na nga ako cut. Ayo guys, loading pa. Pero saan mo naman Inday? Okay. Di ko pa niya ito tinatapos ng bahay nito. Pero okay, ito yung mga twins. Di ko alam paano. Mga itong Inday. Itong Inday na itong lalabay. Better, baby. Okay, ano ko muna to, guys. May update pala dito, guys. Okay, may update dito. Tapos, itong mom nito ay si Heather. Itong lalaki nitong papa, yung daddy nito ay si Henry. Tapos yung letters is, ito namang babae nito, si Hazel. Tapos ito namang babae ito, si Hannah. Tapos ito si Hope. Tapos ito si Hella. Ano niya siya, DIY TikToker. Ay, yes. Ay, ba yan? Di ako marunong pa na mag-control ng notes ko. Hihi. Okay, pati mo na. Ilaw. Ay, wala palang ilaw dito. Oh, ilaw na. Mga bata. Tapos, maglalagyan din ako ng toys. Ito yung money nila. Oh my gosh. Ito yung clothes. Lahat clothes dito. Pero panglas dito ay money nila. Tapos, golds nila kasi ang yaman-yaman nila. Lamang. Ito naman dito nila. Dito, kasi six sila eh. Mga bathers. Dito, maglaluluto sila ng barbecue. Tapos dito sila mag-swimming. Tapos sa baba naman ang basta mga kitchen doon. Tapos living room. Tapos mga ito kaya. Tapos, itapusin ko muna to guys. So, ito na yung mga Inday. Ito na. Ay, pitawak-hawak dito. Ito, ito yung mga toys nila. Tapos, kailan na lang sila. So, let's get started. So, gabi pa lang, natutulog sila agad. Natulog agad. Okay. Nakita. Oh my God. Ay, ako pa na nag-design niya. Parang nanantok ako ulit na. Whatever. Ara siya daw. Gisingan ko niya ng lalaki nito. Uy, Henry! Uy, ano? Di ba may ano ka? Work? Do. Okay. Meron akong magpaho eh. Grabe. Bye. Hi. Gising ko na sila lahat. Lakasan ko yung boses. Inay mo, Mang. Ang gabi-gabi. Ay, umaga na pala. Oy, gising ka na dyan. Walang pasok bukas. Ay, walang pasok bukas. Check ko niyo yung cellphone. Kalimutan itong lalaki nun. Cellphone yun. Yan naman yan. Okay. May pasok bukas. Ay, kalimutan ko pa rin. Wala palang pasok bukas. Oh, di ba? Hoy, wag ka mag-away sa nanay mo. Yes. Ara siya. Hindi naman ito tumatawag. Ano to? Pasok bukas. Isingin ko na. Maligo ka na doon. Hindi naman ako mabaho eh. Smile mo niya. Amoy mo niya ako. Mabaho pa rin. Lah, grabe ka naman. Namang. Kisingan ko man sila. Wake up! Wake up na. Inis nila. Ako naman. Inis. Hoy, gising na mga indays. Grabe ka naman ate. Ginigising pa ako. Nga. Wala kang pake. Hoy, wag ka away-away ka dyan. Inis. Haha, deserve mo yan. Ma. Inis. Gising ko na yung ate yun. Hoy, Inday! Alam ko nagpuyat ka kanina. Gagabi. Uy, wag ka maingay. 1 times lang yun. Lamang, sabihin ko kay mama bukas. Uy, wag! Sino nga? Ligo muna tayo eh. Tara guys. Oh my gosh, ang rami niyo. Halika niya. Ligo muna kami, ma. Hello na pala sila. Ano towel? Inis. Walang towel. Walang towel sila. Oo, may towel sila. Ano na to? Okay, maligo muna kayo. Liguan muna kami. Pwede ba sa amin to? Alam. Ligo ka na dyan. Shampoo. Tapos, another cup. Yan, tapos ka na. Yan, ano muna kita? Ikaw na. Oh, kalimutan mo mag-toothbrush. Kaya, ay, mag-share na lang niya kayo. Ay. Magmumug ka dyan. Patay na lang niya kayo. Tagal nyo eh. Tara na nga. Ay, ano pa? Second floor, inimbala, second floor. Ay, naku, ang inday. Dito na pala sila. Joke lang. Baby ko si Kulot. Kaya na mag-bihis dyan. Hindi ko alam paano mag-bihis. Ay, ano ka lang eh. Tamad ka lang eh. Tapos napaligo ang sila. Kaya naman maligo. Di naman kami mabaho eh. Sige na nga. Ito na ang scooter ko. Ganda naman eh. Wait lang. Check ko lang kung meron. Ay, nagtawag pala yung friends natin. Ay, oo niya, no. May pasok kayo. Di ba may pasok bukas, Major ko? Di ba may pasok bukas? Oo, lamang. Hihi. Uy, nagtawag yung kaibigan natin. Ay. Uy, hi. Wala kang headband. Kala ko yung ate mo lang meron. Lamang. Uy, kasali ka pa, ate. Lamang. Hay, ang aga-aga. Nag-aaway kayo. Sakit ang ulo sa inyo eh. Bahala kayo. Kakain lang ako. Hindi naman siya araw. Magluluto ka pa? Lamang, tara na. Ay, lamang, tara na. Ay, nagabi. Tara na yan. Bye muna, besties. Bye. Bye. Kakain muna kami, ah. Tara na kasi. Uy, ate. Hindi ka nakasali sa kain na. Hoy, wait lang. Yes. Dito na kayo mirror. Uy, hold nyo yung ano na tuninaw. Di ka to twinny. Brown hair ako naman. I'm not Hermer. Ito muna kayo. Muna kayo. Dito lang. Dito. Okay, lulot muna ako. Pagkain natin. Okay, anong lutuin? Knife? Ew. Yung ulam natin for today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And he ends this shit off with a flip. So, yeah, this shit is just too much. He jumps off and Goku plants his foot in his foot rock to the back and comes to the attack. That shit had Pierce on the side. He was hyping himself. Goku is just hanging upside down and Kefla's looking at bro, knowing she's low. Goku launches her ass into two rockets. Looks at his hands like, damn. But here we go with the Kefla. Kefla comes out with laughing, talking about, damn, that shit weak as hell. So Goku was like, oh, word, goes right up to her, makes her 50 duck punches, and kicks her down. Now I'm just watching like, yeah, that's stuff for you, definitely. But it wasn't over though, because he goes down super, asking if that shit was still weak. That shit gets her mad, and she goes into an attack, which is something you can't do against UI Goku. He weaves it and punches her across, making her go to the mad drops. But Goku is kind of petty because he said that shit is not enough distance. He starts airbending the monster to further back and air the cleanest meanest move Goku has ever pulled out is that Kefla started
Ayaw mo
throwing out
naman
attacks
ng
that she
gulay.
had
Uy,
fought
gusto ko.
lost
Ay,
repeatedly
gusto ko ng gulay. Ako din. Ayoko gulay. Ayoko gulay. Daming maghuhugas nito.
And she swore she was about to win. Talking about, oh, got it, Lance. She launches the attack and Goku gets the surf. Like, look at this, bro. I ain't never seen a move like this. That shit was just hella. Okay, I was gonna get big, bro. What did you do? Alright, that was wild. But anyways, he goes right up to her and Kefla gets hit with the beat. That shit was embarrassing. The cameraman had to get all
Uy,
three.
gusto ko
And I
kunin yung
know
iPad ko.
that's gotta be
Kuhain
the
mo.
worst feeling ever. Gotta be the equivalent to getting dunked on for a game winner in the playoffs.
Uy,
That shit is
kuhain
sticking
natin
with
sa
you forever.
natin.
But yeah,
Lamang.
man, it's the end of the video. Thank you for 274K.
Dito na sila. Uy, ba't nga ko relax yan?
It's holding me back. It won't let me attack. Who the hell are you actually, Whis? You're more than just Beerus' servant, aren't you? Oh. Did I
Uy,
make
kaya
that
tumatawag.
connection?
Hello.
Sorry.
Ay, si Becky.
Yes, I am Lord
Uy,
Beerus'
uy,
teacher as
may
well.
pasok bukas. Di mo alam? Oo, di ko alam. Sorry talaga.
You mean like his fight?
Sige, okay lang yun.
Yes, that's right.
So you're even stronger than the destroyer?
Dito yung
Oh, I don't know about that.
laptop mo dito.
Spike, where you stuck? What?
Tara na.
Come back, come back,
Uy, sali ako sa Euroblock. Sige. Aha, ako na win sa Murder Mystery. Uy, ako na unga. Sige, sige, wag na kayong umiyak sa akin. Ay. Pwede na na. Ikaw man. Ikaw niya na winner. Ikaw yung winner. Diba? Bayan, kulit na. Cellphone ko, be. Sunod, cellphone. Go.
I didn't say, so I apologize, but I didn't know what else to say because I couldn't just be like, oh yeah, sorry, I couldn't tell you were talking to me because of your lazy eye. I should have just pretended to be
Ma,
fake.
ma, ma, ma.
Someone across
Saan si,
because the
saan
other
si
day I was
Papa?
at the airport and someone right behind me goes,
Laligo ata. Huh? Wait, ito pala pag may kabit.
you got it in 10.4 seconds. Let's see now.
Dito muna
Looks
kayo.
like 11 seconds even. That's a good finish, but really, I'd say you still beat him hands down.
I set the bar pretty high, you know. Master Roshi, can I try again with different shoes? Look at mine. They're not exactly made for running either, now are they? But at least yours aren't all torn up. I can see the toe.
Ang pangit.
Much better.
Tara, race tayo. Sige. Wala ng space. Order muna ako. Yun.
What do you mean?
Dito na yung delivery ata.
I'm not sure what I've been sensing, but I've never felt anything like it. You mean this energy is unique somehow?
4, 5, 6. Uy, ang dami nito. Paano ko ito itigil? Mga anak!
Like this. Okay, it honestly doesn't look that bad, but let me show you how to take it one step better. Right under the eye, use your pencil and move it in a circular motion. Remember to press lightly in a small area too. Now with the tools such as this Q-tip, blend all of it
Tulungan
together.
mo
If you
naman
need to,
kami.
you go back into your pencil and press a
Abay,
little bit harder. Now
ikaw lang
once
mag-isa
you've
dito
blended it all,
eh.
go back with your
Sige nga.
pencil and add these tiny dots.
Okay na.
You insist, I guess.
4, 5, 7.
100 times, 200 times, 1,000 times, bang!
Guys, doon muna kayo. Ito ako.
Do something! Pussy ass bitch!
Tara, race tayo. Sige. Mas marunong pa ako sa'yo.
What a skip it. What a...
Trick the
as a fish to give me admin. Basically, I reached out to the owner and I said, hey, I'd like to review this game. He was skeptical. He said no, and I said, well, how about I also offer you 10 million Robux as well? You see,
Worst experience ever. Because I used to third wheel my friend and his girlfriend, and it literally felt like I was their child. I loved it. But when they would argue,
Wala na, ako na panalo.
they would make me get involved.
Tara,
My
ulit,
friend
ulit,
forgot
ulit.
their wedding anniversary, so she got really angry. And then they started arguing with each other, so they asked me for my opinion on the situation. And what am I supposed to say? No matter who I agree with, someone's gonna be mad at me. But the worst part was that when they broke up,
Oh, ako panalo. Ikaw, hindi ka na
like after the
panalo.
breakup, she would talk
Ay,
trash about
ako
him
na
to me,
panalo.
and he
Ikaw
would talk trash about her to me.
nagtitindig.
And I was like,
Hacker
you
ka
guys know
ha.
that I'm still friends with
Ay,
both of you,
hindi
right?
ako
Like,
hacker.
stop talking
Tignan mo.
bad about each other. Grow up already. You
Tignan mo sa
signed the
TV,
papers
oh,
already,
diba?
right? The divorce is final. Leave me out of it.
Joke na dito.
Third wheeling a couple can either be
Ano
the
kaya
best
to?
experience ever or the worst experience ever. Because I used to third wheel my friend and his girlfriend, and it literally felt like I was their child. I loved it. But when they would argue, it was horrible because they would make me get involved. Like my friend forgot their wedding anniversary, so she got really angry at him. And then they started arguing with each other, so they asked me for my opinion on the situation. And what am I supposed to say? No matter who I agree with, someone is gonna be mad at me. But the worst part was that when they broke up, I literally felt like I was a child going through divorce. Like after the breakup, she would talk
Guys,
trash
part
about him to
2?
me, and he would talk
What
trash
is
about her to me.
part
And I was
2,
like,
guys?
you guys know that I'm
Kanya.
fine. Leave me out of it.
Wala, ako panalo. Uy, tayo ha. Guys, part 2.